Namaste everyone, a very warm welcome to Satvic Yoga. My name is Radhika and today we will practice 5 asanas to improve thyroid function. This series, if you do it every day, will allow your disease from not progressing further. And at the end of this video, we will also share a wonderful resource with many tips on how to reverse this disease completely. Alright, so let us begin. Come to a comfortable seated pose. You can double up your mat if needed. Now, you know that the location of the thyroid gland is here. So, all the 5 asanas that we will do, we will try and put pressure over here. So, with your inhale, you will stretch the neck and look up. And with your exhale, go back and try and touch your chin to your chest. Your hands are on your knees and your weight is between your tailbone and your hips. Inhale, come up, look up and stretch the neck. Exhale, go back. Seated cat and cow, Bitilasan to Bidalasan. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go back. Inhale, feel the stretch in your neck. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Last one, inhale. Stretch the neck, feel the stretch. And exhale, round your spine. Very nice. Come back to center and now we will take Salamba Bhujangasana, Sphinx pose. So come on to your elbows, hands are on the mat. The backs of the feet will also come on the mat. We'll open the chest and feel the stretch in your neck. So tilt your chin slightly upwards and consciously stretch and breathe. Very important to breathe very deeply, my friends. Inhale, stretch the neck and look up. Exhale, tilt the chin downwards, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to center. Very nice. Now, come on to your knees. So we will do camel pose, Ustrasan. So for this, knees will be together. Feet will also be together. Elongate the spine first. And then place your hands on the back. So your palms are on the middle back and fingers are pointing down towards the hips. The elbows will move towards each other. So the shoulder blades are also moving towards each other. And then we'll take a back bend and then let the head hang loose and breathe. If this is challenging, you can bring some distance between the knees and then do the pose. For those of you who are familiar with yoga, you can even take full camel. So the hands will come on the heels and then the head hangs loose. To come out of the pose, bring the right hand on the left shoulder and then just sit on your heels. Very good. Fourth asana, we'll take Setu Bandhasan, bridge pose. So lie down on your back. Your heels are right in front of your hips. Just watch first. Our weight will come on our triceps. We'll clasp our hands under us and we'll engage our quads. So this part, your upper thighs gets engaged. You're pushing away from the mat. Your weight is not on your neck. It's on your arms and your feet. But you are putting a pressure on your throat. Now here, breathe. Very nice. Release. Friends, our last asana is Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. So if you haven't practiced shoulder stand before, please come close to a wall. I will teach you how to do this against a wall. And for those of you who have practiced Sarvangasana before, can practice it on the mat as well. So, we will come close to a wall and the hips will be very close to the wall, as close as possible. And then we'll place our heels on the wall. Now, we'll gently come up and bring our weight on our feet and our hands will come on our back. And then we will extend the legs. And we'll breathe here. So we are doing supported Sarvangasana. The weight again is on your hands, it's not on your neck. But still there is a pressure around your throat. So you can breathe here. And those of you who know how to do Sarvangasana can then lift the legs off the wall also. Your hands will be high up on your back as far as possible. And make a straight line with your body. 5 breaths. Very nice. Gently come out of the pose, bend your knees, bring your back on the mat and lie down in Shavasana. Very important for you to take Shavasana. So take 3 minutes of Shavasana now. Lie down, rest and leave your body very, very loose and relaxed. To learn more about reversing thyroid naturally, you can click here and watch this video. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Namaste.